Miracles don't happen outside of your comfort zone. They happen well within it. And I'll tell you how. My name is Avnish Mishra. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to know more about me, click the link appearing here. Now, this popular phrase that miracles happen outside of your comfort zone has been used so many times and has been talked about so many times that it has become hackneyed and boring. We have been romanticizing with this concept without benefiting from it. All our lives, we work hard so that we can be comfortable at some point in time. We buy luxury goods, we buy washing machines, dishwashers, comfortable beds, sofas, luxury homes, luxury cars. Everything that we do, we want to be comfortable. And then someone comes and tells us miracles happen outside of a comfort zone. So there's a serious disconnect here, Your idea of success or your idea of working hard and becoming comfortable gets defeated by the fact or by the myth that miracles happen outside of a comfort zone. Even when a guest comes home, we say, be comfortable. We don't tell him, no, don't be comfortable or else you won't see the miracles in my house. Do we say that? No. So there is a fundamental flaw with this whole concept. And there's one more flaw which I'll talk about a little later. But let me tell you how you overcome and how you remove this flaw. You don't say that you step out of your comfort zone to see miracles. You expand your comfort zone. You enlarge it. And how you do it? You start, progressing step by step and getting comfortable at each step. And that's how you enlarge your comfort zone. Just to give you an example to make it simple, and this example is from my personal life. So my wife, well above 50, never ran in her life. Forget about the primary school running, we all do that. But otherwise, she's never run in her life. And she got inspired to do a relay marathon in Bahrain where each participant has to run for 3 kilometers. So first day when she ran, she could only run 100 meters. So she continued for some time at 100. And when she became comfortable with 100, she switched to 200, then 500. Gradually, she was stepping up and becoming comfortable. So at each milestone, she was staying for a while. So you see, she was persevering and she was disciplined about it. The two major behaviors for success we talked about in our previous video, if you remember. So by doing that, what she was achieving, she was enlarging her comfort zone. And within 6 months, she had been running 3 kilometers. And now, a couple of months later, 4.5 kilometers. But how it was achieved? By continuously enlarging your comfort zone. So don't step out. You don't have to step out. You just have to enlarge. Now we're talking about the second fundamental flaw with this concept. This concept assumes that miracles are not already happening. Look, when we are walking, that's a miracle. If we can see, that's a miracle. If we wake up in the morning, that's a miracle. So miracles are happening all around us. It's just that we don't see them. And that's the second flaw with it. When we become sick or when we become paralyzed or let's say we lose our eyesight, then we pray to the God, do some miracles so that, we become better. But otherwise, we take it for granted. All the miracles that are happening around us, we take them for granted. And that's the second biggest flaw. So next time, when you want to achieve something, want to do something big, start enlarging your comfort zone and you'll get there.